All right, nice job, everybody. Father and bride says it's time for the train. All right, everybody line up behind the bride. All you got to do is hold on. She's going to lead you around the room. Everybody hold on. You don't have to know how to dance or anything. Just hold on. Don't pass the train. Don't miss the train. All aboard, don't miss the train. Don't miss the train. Everybody on the train. All you have to do is be able to walk and hold on to the person in front of you. Last call for the train.